बोलना चाहूँगा कि कहते हैं मोहब्बत की कहानी में कहाँ ये मोड़ आते हैं, जो दिल में रखते हैं वही दिल तोड़ जाते हैं।
It's epic, bro, literally. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Hope you all are living in your dreams. So today's video is surprisingly amazing and it is literally so different. I'm doing a little and short and tiny experiment in Karachi, Pakistan. As I have told you, another channel that I am gonna hitchhike to, I guess, 14 or 20 kilometers. So basically today I'm gonna hitchhike from this Habiba Road, Baldia town to Musharraf Colony. The distance between Baldia town to Musharraf Colony, which is around 14 or 16 kilometers, that I'm gonna cover today. I just got my first lift, as you can see. It's gonna my first lift. His name. So sir, आपका नाम क्या है? Ali Haider. So if you want to go, I said that I want to go ahead. So he is my first, you can say, host. His name is Ali Haider. You want to say, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका. Literally, he is such a great person I have ever met, and he gave me the lift, I guess 14 or 30 kilometers, and now it's time to say goodbye, Mr. Ali Haider. So thank you so much, sir, giving me such a wonderful lift. You people are the example for us, and see the hospitality. I told you I didn't give him a hand. He just stopped for me. Just check the hospitality of Pakistani. These are the Pakistani. So that was our vehicle.
टर्न कर जाओ
जी
सीढ़ियाँ आई
या कहाँ से टर्न लेना?
यहाँ से सीधे जाओ, आगे चौक आएगा ना
जी
आगे.
ये वाले नहीं?
नहीं ये नहीं, इसके आगे
जी
राइट पे टर्न कर जाओ.
जी
टर्न कर जाओ, फिर सीधे सीधे चले जाओ, फिर लेफ्ट पे टर्न करोगे ना
जी,
फिर ये सीढ़ियाँ इसकी आएगी ऊपर चढ़.
फिर ये सीधा रास्ता है?
हाँ सीधा ऊपर ही जाओगे.
चला ठीक है. This person just helped me to the reach out that mountain peak. So I'm literally so grateful and so thankful to have such an amazing guy, such an amazing person in Pakistan. Thank you, sir. And the ultimate way to explore this beautiful place is a local transport. So right now, as uncle said, as that person said, there is a stair to go up to the mountain. So I'm just finding those stairs because I just wanna cross that peak. I guess I just find them. These were, that was our, it's actually so hot. What the view, boys, just to check the view. It seems so calm place. I have to be careful. Otherwise, I heard so many things that there is a snatching problem in this particular place. But I have to be careful, you know. Yeah, see the place. Yeah, not bad. But you know, I've just only this equipment, and if I lost it, otherwise I have nothing to lose. My experience is totally amazing, you know. I've just found something. Yeah, one is for me and one is for my fiancée.
In the meantime, I met some TikTokers and trying to help them out to shoot some good TikToks.
Basically, I just got my points. What's your name, boy?
सागर
Sabir, Mr. Sabir.
साथ ले से बोल रहा हूँ
Right now, I am on the peak of mountain with the Sabir, bro. You know? What do you want to say, bro? क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
एक शेर बोलना चाहूँगा कि कहते हैं मोहब्बत की कहानी में कहाँ ये मोड़ आते हैं
आए हैं।
दिल में रखते हैं वही दिल तोड़ जाते
Oi, hoi, hoi, hoi. It's epic, bro. Literally.
हैं
It's epic.
एक शेर और
One more.
कहते हैं गलियों में घूमता हूँ लोपर नहीं हूँ आशिक हूँ तेरा तेरे बाप का नौकर नहीं
Today, I'm lucky to got this kind of person in my life. You know, hitchhike is wonderful, bro. Just to check it out. People are here to just relax and just enjoy their Sunday. This is a modest place to sit. I think this is a shadow for the covering sunshine. It's quite useful for the people because many people are here and sit inside this modest place. So the meaningful question is that why am I here? So the thing is, actually, I hitchhiked I think 20 or 19 kilometers to get this place because I love mountains, lots of mountains surrounding us. Just wanted to explore this amazing and this peaceful location.
This is a natural water. It is filled when it's raining over there.
I think it's very and the reason to come here is that it's less far from my house. It's quite amazing, just 20 kilometers. I guess that was my first hitchhike, you know. Mr. Ali Haider, he's such an amazing and adorable person. He was playing like a Sindhi song, Balochi song. I literally enjoy his company. He's a person who is working in CPEC. So I was sitting on that place, you know, yeah, on that place, along with Sabir bhai. I've spent it here 1 hour, almost 1 hour. Time to say goodbye, Mr. Abid bhai, Mr. Sabir bhai. Thank you for your company. Sabir bhai, बहुत मज़ा आया आपकी कंपनी में. So I'm going back to my home, and again I try to hitchhike and maybe explore some another place. So let's see what happened. Yeah, boss. This was another place to come up. Yeah. See, it is modest place, I guess. Yeah, you should visit here if you wanna come here. So you can. It's a good too. Peace. So these both people just guide me to stare down. So these are, what's your name, boy?
Harish.
Harish. This is Harish boy.
Azlan.
Aslan, and he's talking right now on the phone. Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz. Actually, I was thinking like this is unknown place, but I was wrong. Many people are coming here, and this is my first time to explore this unknown place in Musharraf Colony.
Why this area called Musharraf Colony? It's our ex-president name, Pervez Musharraf.
And I'm going back, and basically I'm trekking. I was about to fall down, and I was early, so that is why. If you wanna come here and visit this place, so just I have shown just entered in Musharraf Colony.
And suddenly I got unknown local friend.
I just got an invitation. The water, basically I forgot my water and my hiking shoes. I have just my typical sneakers, and I'm hiking on this weather. It's not good. अच्छा, लोग आते रहते वैसे यहाँ पर. मैं समझा था ये मतलब अननोन लोकेशन है, यहाँ पर बहुत कम लोग आते हैं, लेकिन मैं जब यहाँ मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है ना. By the way, it's time to say goodbye 20. I have just noticed one thing. People are so welcoming over here. I'm going back on the highway to start again hitchhike. Let's see what happened in this time. I was coming on the street and I was just telling you, just informing you that I'm going to a highway. But the person, he just stopped me and said, where do you want to go? I said, I'm going to Baldia Town. Should I drop you? I said, why not? How lucky I am. My shoe is stuck on the mud. So I just got back to my home and the bike was my last lift. He dropped me till my place, Baldia Town. My overall experience was spectacular. I never thought that I met such a kind person, and hitchhiking is one of my favorite part of traveling. It has different feelings. You have watched each and everything. Like I never hand them and they just stop for me. So it's pure humanity, pure hospitality they are showing. I just want to thank them, like Mr. Ali Haider and Sabir Bhai and many more things, and one more person who gave me a lift, a bike person, but I just forgot to ask his name. But thanks to everyone who made my day. I just want to request you, appeal you, just come out from your house, from your comfort zone and do something different. World is full of positive people, just you have to be positive. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your families and friends. So I'll catch you guys on another video. Allah Hafiz.